Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. In this video we will be discussing about heating effect of electric current. Okay, you know that all. When the current is flow in a circuit, just like, and in which current I is flow with the potential difference V. Okay, and the current is flowing here and plus to minus, and the charge Q, okay, electron charge Q is flowing from minus to plus. Okay, when this charge is flow from minus to plus, then electric current is flowing on the circuit. Okay, and when this electric current is flowing on them, and when this current is reaching on heat in this place, so it become making this as a warmer. Okay, hot. So this is by through the current. Okay, heating effect by through the electric current. Okay, dear students, and we know also have lots of examples in your life when fan is moving, so that it is also become heat. Okay, when TV is on, and also it is become hotter and many things, mobiles also get a heating when you use. So these things are said to be as a heating effect of electric current. Okay, so this is done only by through the electric current. Okay, dear students, so electric current, we know that, and it is said to be as a power at the time. Okay, so it is denoted as a P, power, P, and charge, electric charge. Okay, electron charge Q, and time T. Okay, and potential difference V. Okay, when in a circuit we applied a potential difference, then we calculate power as a P is equals to V Q by T. Okay, in a time the charge Q is flow in a circuit with the potential difference V. So this is said to be as a power, and also power is denoted as a P is equals to VI. Okay, power is also calculated as a P is equals to VI. Okay, dear students, so this equation 1, equation 2, and when we equating equation 1 and 2, then we get VQT is equals to VI is equals to P. Okay, so we can write it as a P V I T. The potential difference, current is flow with the time T. Okay, dear students, and after that it producing heat, so we can take P is equals to H. H is equals to V I T. Okay, so amount of heat is a formation of these variables. Okay, the heat is produced just like in a by to the potential difference V multiplied with current in a time T. Okay, so this is heat produced by through the these three variables. So this is equation number 3rd. From applying and now applying Ohm's law in equation third, we get Ohm's law क्या होता है V. This is Ohm's law. Okay, we putting the value of V in equation third, we get I square RT. This is called as a Joule's law. This is called as a Joule's law. Okay, dear students. So this is a heating effect of electric current, which is said to be as a Joule's law. Okay. So I hope you understand Joule's law. What is Joule's law? In which the heat is produced by through the resistor. Okay. So heat is produced by resistor is directly proportional to square of the current, resistor and time t. Okay. In a given numerical, we can find out the value when we given the heat, current and resistor and time. Okay, so this any three variables we can find one. अगर इनमें से क्या दिया हुआ, जस्ट लाइक कि रजिस्टर दिया हुआ, टाइम दिया हुआ, हीट दिया हुआ, वी कैन फाइंड आउट करंट वेरी इजीली. ठीक है, हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट करंट? वी कैन जस्ट लाइक हियर गिवन H इज इक्वल्स टू H को हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे I इज इक्वल्स टू आई स्क्वायर में है, तो उस लोग इसको अंडर रूट में लिख लेते हैं, इनसे ट्रांसफर को अंडर रूट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ये जो गिवन न्यूमेरिकल्स उसके लिए बता रहा हूँ आपको यहाँ पे. सो H इज H बाई RT. दिस इज बाय थ्रू दिस वी कैन फाइंड आउट द करंट. ओके, अगर इसमें केवल आपको क्या दिया हुआ है, टाइम निकालने को बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हैं, H अपॉन आई स्क्वायर बाई आर इज इक्वल्स टू टी से आप क्या निकाल सकते हैं, टाइम निकाल सकते हैं. हीट तो यहाँ से ऐसे निकल जाएगा आपका. रेजिस्टेंस भी अगर आपको निकालना है, यू कैन फाइंड आउट दिस बाय थ्रू द रेजिस्टेंस. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज अ जूल्स लॉ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डेरिवेशन. ठीक है, now application of heating effect. Okay, so this is your homework to find out application of heating effect and example number 12.10 and example 12.11. these are very easy. Okay, आपको फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला में केवल वैल्यू को आप पुट कर लेंगे, then you get your answer. ठीक है, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Application is also your work to do in your home. ठीक है, it is given on page number 12, page number 218. this is very easy. ठीक है, you know we are using application of heating just like in a electric oven, in a toaster making, in a microwave. Okay, so these are the effect of electricity. By through this we are getting heat, and these are very useful in our daily uses life. Okay, so what is electric power? Electric power is the consumption of electricity in a circuit. It is known as electric power. Okay, so electric power is noted as a P is equals to VI. We are already known this in earlier class and earlier topic. ठीक है, इससे पहले टॉपिक में हमने पढ़ा V is equals to VI, P is equals to VI. Okay, power is equals to potential difference multiplied by current. Okay, so according to this we can also write this as a P is equals to I square R. Okay, because we know that V is equals to IR, V. So putting the value I square, so power is I square R. Okay, so we can write it as a I square R. And also we can write from here I is equals to V by R. So we can also write it as in the form of potential difference V square by r square, and r is already remaining here, so r to r cancel, so P is equals to V square by r. This is also said to be as a power कंजम्पशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक है, तो ये भी चीजें यहाँ पे नोट कर सकते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. सो पावर इज डिनोटेड एज ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज watt, denoted as a W. It is very small unit. Okay, so we can use it in a kilowatt. So watt multiplied by 1000, that means it become kilowatt. Okay, so according to this, okay, this is first of the so SI unit is watt. So value of 1 watt is value of 1 watt is 1 volt potential difference multiplied by 1 ampere current is the value of 1 watt. Okay, it can be also written as 1 volt ampere. 1 watt is equals to, okay, okay, since the electrical energy is the multiplication of power and time, so it is denoted with the time, so it can be used as a 1 watt hour. Okay, but it is very small quantity, so that we can using for that 1 kilo watt hour. Okay, kilowatt hour is said to be as a useful quantity we can use here. So value of 1 kilowatt is 1 watt is equals to multiplied by 1000 multiplied by hour. Hour into change in second, so it can be a 3600. Okay, so this is small and this is capital. Okay, so 1000 watt multiplied by 3600 second. Okay, so it can be changed into form of 2050. Okay, 3.6 into 10 the power 6 joule energy is produced by 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, तो ये हो गया आपका फाइनली और चैप्टर इज फिनिश्ड. इसके भी न्यूमेरिकल्स आपकी बुक्स में दिए हुए, तो प्लीज डू इट. ओके, एंड आस्क मी अबाउट दिस बिकॉज इट इज सिंपली ऑल द थिंग्स आर गिवन इन योर book, and the remaining terms you can use by your